everybody! So today another video about Jack the cockatiel. Today, let's see what you got this stuck. Are you serious, dude? You got it stuck. So right now he's just on here, just wandering around. What he wants to do, whatever. Hey, little boy. I want to pet him. Good boy. Hey. You guys want to kiss him? Go. Come. Okay. He doesn't want no kisses or hugs or whatever. No. Hey, yay, we did it. Alright. So, now today, I'm going to feed him. He takes his food. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm sick. Alright, here. He has it. Yeah. Oh, don't drop it. He's gonna 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 drop it, and then he won't get to eat it. So this is how he eats, on top of here. But hey, show your face, yo. This way. Let me scooch this back. What are you doing looking down at the floor? Alright, so fix it. Is it fixed? No. No. Oh my God, Lord. You know what? There. Good, perfect. Hey, look. Hey. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna put him on the floor. Come on. Okay. Come on. So he's up here, and we're gonna put him down. Let's see if he likes it down the floor. Hey, go down. What the? Jack, go down. He sure doesn't want to be on the floor. Hey! How you doing, buddy? Hey. I forgot he's... Oh, sorry. Alright, he's gonna eat some stuff, so... Let's see if he gets this on my hands. Nope. Now he's gonna... Yeah, this is basically what he does, But this is actually the first time I left him down the ground. Well, he goes down the ground sometimes because he's over here. He gets bored. He just flies. He either goes over there or here. And then I pick him up, put him back in his cage. So yeah. But wow, now he's actually at the floor. I think he's gonna get used to this. So I'm only gonna try this once. Yeah. Hello. Say hello. No, he can't talk. He's an animal. Let's try to scare him. But I'm scared. What if it hits it? What if? Oh, he's getting scared. Yep, he's running. All right. Oh, whoa! I almost stepped on him. That would have been super bad. Hey, why are you walking away from me? I see you closely. Hello. Hey, dude, stop walking away. Hello. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's all. I'm sorry if it was short. If you guys thought it was long, and it's long. I thought it was short, but yeah. So say bye, Jack. Say bye. Say bye. Yeah. See you guys when I make a next video. See you guys later. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye. Again.